Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a financial profile with Chase Slate detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a financial profile with Chase Slate, start by visiting the official Chase website. Look for the credit cards section on the home page. Select Chase Slate from the list of available credit cards. Click the Apply Now button to begin the application process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Provide your social security number for identity verification. Next, input your employment details, including your employer's name and your job title. Enter your annual income to help define your financial standing. Review the terms and conditions of the Chase Slate card that appear on the screen. After reading carefully, check the box to agree to the terms. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a notification on the status of your application shortly after submission. If approved, follow the instructions to set up your online account. Creating an online account will help you manage your card and access your financial profile. Log in using your newly created credentials to explore your financial profile. In your account dashboard, you can view your account balance, spending patterns, and payment history. Regularly update your financial profile by adding any changes in income or employment. Utilize the tools provided by Chase Slate to plan your payments and budget effectively. Take advantage of financial education resources available to enhance your financial literacy. Your Chase Slate financial profile is now set up for optimal management of your credit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.